Hey, if you're a dev working with sensitive data, healthcare, legal, internal ops, you already know the deal. LLMs are off limits, too risky, too black box. But what if you could get AI level insights securely, locally, no cloud, no leaks? That's what we built Leonata for. It's a lightweight, air-gapped desktop application that lets you search and organize unstructured text. Fast, offline, and with zero hallucination. No GPU, no weird dependencies, just run it locally, point it at your files, and start querying. We built a custom engine, no LLM, no training data noise. Leonata pulls from PDFs, docs, logs, anything, then builds a clean semantic map based only on your data. You can explore patterns, extract summaries, and move faster through dense, messy text. But nothing leaves your machine. No cloud, no API call, no tutorial rabbit holes. It's just a CLI tool with a README. One click, no surprises. It's free to try. Hit the link below, download the MVP, and put it to work. See what Leonata finds in your data.